Hello dear student, in this video I want to talk about test prep in chapter 6 about conic section. طبعا جماعة بأقدر من أم تست بريبا شكل لقزنتين تست بريبا كاني كتابك كهمو صالك بسياري تياتا وزور أقدر من يعني أقر صد لصد بسيارك وخونيتو إلا بفكرة كتابة ويا أقدر. Example 1 which of the following is the equation of the conic section. أقر جماعة سري كم conic section بكن لجرافي هايبربولي جرافي هايبربولا two parts يان open to y يعني open to y axis or يان open to x axis but this one is the open to y axis telling y axis يعني vertical vertical يعني x square is negative y square is positive so ألين أما هردوشان positive كواتم إليبسا أوش هردوشان positive أوش هردوشان هر إليبسا أم دوانا هيكان positive هيكان negative كواتم أم دوانا هايبربولا بس كام يعني x square negative بارتي c x square negative و y square شي positive كواتا ألين أو يبوبت بينسر دوهم دانا Which of the following are the points of intersection of the graph of 4x squared plus 25y squared equal to 100 with the x-axis جماعة intersection with the x-axis be careful يعني x-intercept أجر بوتا intersection of the y-axis intersection with y-axis أو يعني y-intercept y-intercept يعني x equal to 0 find y x-intercept يعني y equal to 0 find x so then y equal to 0 يعني 4x power 2 plus 25 0 power 2 equal to 100 25 times 0 is 0 both sides divided by 4 so x squared is equal to 25 by taking square root for both x is equal to positive and negative 5 so you have 2 points the first one 5 and 0 and the second one negative 5 and 0 so party C أبيت تروبو أم برسيارة بحر اكتب بسيارة كاني كمان على which of the following is the equation of the conic section on the right طبعا أم جرافة من هم جرافي إليبسة وجرافەکەش لەسەر وای ئاکسزە گرافەکە لەسەر وای ئاکسزە چونکە ئەگەر ئاواهی بووایە ئەوە ئەکس ئاکسس بوو ئەگەر ئاواهی بووە so it's y axis مادەم y axis دەکەواتە x square is positive y square is positive and denominators of y is big deno of y square is bigger yes so deno of y square is bigger أما احتمالي هي أنا وأمت غلط چونکە denominator y square هەکە smaller دانە کەواتە false أما احتمالي هەیە ئەوش احتمالي هەیە بابین بۆچی بابین بۆ زائیدەکەی تیا دروستکەین کۆکەی تیا دروستەکەین ئا بۆ شێوازە بۆمان دەرەکەوێت کە ئێرە سێنتەرەکەی 4 و ئەکسەکەی 4 و وایەکەشی 2 کەواتە سێنتەرەکە ئەبێتە 4 و 2 کام لەمانە ئەوە سنتەرەکەی 0 کەواتەوە ئەمە غەڵەتە ئەمە سنتەرەکەی 1 و 1 کەواتە ئەمەش غەڵەتە ئەمە سنتەرەکەی 4 و 2 کەواتە پارتی A is true ئەوەش تەواو بوو number 4 which of the following hyperbolas has a largest distance between the its foci largest distance between its foci ئەم دەستەواژەیە يعني C فوسي خوتانزا related by C مادام hyperbola the hyperbola C is bigger than so all C square is equal to A square plus C B square باش بقى اسمها plus يعني 81 طبعا A square equal to 36 B square is equal to 81 all 36 36 plus 81 is equal to 170. So c squared is equal to 170. 125 plus 45, 125 plus 45, 170. C squared is equal to 170. 9 plus 95 is equal to 185. 49 plus 100 c squared is equal to 149. So كم c squared هيك بقردانة؟ طبعا 185. So party دي أبدا تروبو أو برسيارة أو Benacer number 5, which of the following is the equation of the tangent line to the hyperbola? Which of the following is the equation of the tangent line? أما ليريا وش tangent line كا باشا بمعنى شيء بمعنى asymptotiجيت أبي أقدر بن so أقدر بن of the equation of the hypertangent line to the equation of the hyperbola. طبعا لا hyperbola elementكاني بريتبولا شي elementكاني are the first one is center and vertices and foci and asymptotes. Asymptotes ثكا y كبو is equal to k plus minus x minus h a over b or b over a by the axis. It is x-axis because x squared is positive, so it is b over a for x-axis and a over b for y-axis. So tangent line, equation of the tangent line يعني equation هيك يعني y equal to mx plus b. So the hyperbola equation of the tangent line it means slant asymptotes. You have two slant asymptotes of the hyperbola. So by solving it is x-axis because x squared is positive, so a squared is equal to 4 and b squared is equal to 9 and c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared in the hyperbola, so it is 9 plus no, we don't have you don't need to find c because slant asymptote يعني y is equal to k plus minus it is y x axis يعني b over a x minus h يعني you don't need to find c. So a is equal to positive and negative 2 and b is equal to positive and negative 3. So center because x y are alone, so h to k is equal to 0 0. So y is equal to k, k is equal to 0, don't write 0, plus minus b over a يعني 3 over 2, x minus h يعني x minus 0, so x equal to just x. So which one is true? 3 over 2 x, 3 over 2 x يعني party b is true for this question. Party B is true. About number 6, which of the following equation of the conic section on the right? Which of the following conic section hyperbola. Hyperbola يعني the first one is positive and the second one is negative. But because this graph is the graph of open to y, so it's y-axis. يعني y squared is positive and x squared is negative. Y squared is positive. Y squared is positive. But this one y squared is negative, so party A is false. By the same y squared is negative, so party B is false. Party C and party D y squared is positive. So بابي نصير سنتر لمحالة أنا بقريبه سنتر سنتر فيرتايس كانوا خدتك كشيد كلا فيرتايس كانوا خدتك كشنا وراسي فيرتايس كا أبيت شي أبيت السنتر كواتا تقريبا area أما أنا وراسي هردوش يعني أقدر بيجمري 1 2 1 2 كواتا أم 3 between 2 and 4 negative 2 and negative 4 is negative 3 أبيت السنتر كواتا x كي 4 ووايكشي نيجاتيف 3 كواتا سنتر كمان 4 ونيجاتيف 3 4 and negative 3 for this one center is equal to h and k h with x and k with y h is equal to negative 4 طبعا by different sign هلا مجرين k is equal to negative 3 يعني positive 3 so 4 and negative 3 but this one negative 4 and positive 3 كواتا party C is false but this one h negative 4 يعني positive 4 positive 3 يعني negative 3 so party D is important for party C is true for this graph number 8 number 6 sorry about number 7 which of the following is the largest of non-fossil axis of the hyperbola جماعات لا هايبربوليا أبي أكدر بن سيري كان يسأل شرح كتاب بوكم جماعة سيري كان لإقلبسها major axis مان هي is equal to 2a major axis 2a minor axis مان هي is equal to 2b minor axis is equal to 2b لا أما اللي إقلبسها لا هايبربوليا focal axis مان هي اللي قلنا focal axis باشا كواتا focal axis زكا وكو major axis زكوا كواتا رولكي focal axis is equal to 2a non-focal axis مان هي رولكي is equal to 2b باشا non-focal axis رولكي is equal to 2b so for this example which of the following links is the non-focal axis أبي بزاني كي يعني 2b يس أما أقر إليبس بوا أما هايبربولي أقر إليبس بوا I would which of the following is the length of the secondary axis secondary vertices axis باشا secondary vertices باشا 2b سؤالين أما x axis a square is equal to 49 and b square is equal to 121 quota by taking square root for both a is equal to positive and negative 7 and b is equal to positive negative 11 so non-fossil axis يعني 2b يعني 2 times 11 يعني 22 so 22 is true أجر بيوتا fossil axis يعني 2b 2a sorry أو كانت 2a 2 times 7 is equal to 14 جامعة هاتوتو قراويش أقدر بن أماش number 7 بينسر number 8 which of the following parabolas opens to the left parabolas كوتي left يعني جرافيكي like this so أما x axis left to right x axis up و down y axis كوتي x axis يعني x power 1 y power 2 and p is negative because it is left open to left so x power 1 x power 2 يعني false x power 2 يعني false x power 1 y power 2 x power 1 y power 2 باش general equation parabolas you have two brackets the first one is opposite square and the right side is power 1 and you have 4p كواتا بي ام شي بكينا بي اما هول بين power 1 بكينا right side بو اما بستا الين ام negative ام positive بين اوديو كواتا 4 y square is equal to negative 16 x plus 12 اگه تماشاكي 4p كما بو بشي بو بماينس كواتا بارتي دي بو بلام اما وانية اما 4x square بر اوديو كواتا 4x square is equal to 16 ام 12 بر اوديو بتا minus 12 كواتا 16 كبوزيتيف يعني p كبوزيتيف بلام ام p كمان negative كواتا party D is true for this question ما يشكل بسيارة باشا كان أقداري بين which of the following is the axis of the parabola the parabola you have 4 elements the first one is vertex and focus and directrix and axis Ottoman axis always is inverse. Because for this equation is the x is power 1, so it's x-axis. The x-axis in the x-axis in the horizontal axis y equal to k. So k with y it is positive 2 k k is equal to y is equal to y equal to k مادام k كب 2 أبي بيكين بنيجاتيف 2 وثمان بعكسه هذا يبجيرين كواتا is equal to negative 2 أمش هاتو توا أقداري بن example 10 يشغل example قرصة كان لقل ما بنت كان مزور example هاي شغل example قرصة كان و example 11 and example 12 does not include so أقداري example 10 بن example 13 by the same way is important. Example 14, what is the type of the graph of the equation x square say can x square كمان and y square كمان both square and positive, both square and positive. So لشيء هردش كان سكوير بون لهايبربولا و إليبسوك سيركلا بس الهايبربولا x square and y square. The first one is positive and the second one is negative. باش يعني كان positive كان negative. بلام لإليبسا هردو كان positive هردو كان square. هردو كان positive هردو كان square. بلام A و B a bit different من أو تا different 1 and 4. So ما إليبسا. أجر same بنا 4 و 4 and 2 2 يعني 3 3 أو كاتا circle. ماشي. اسمعوا example 10 and example 13 أو بس solving. Example number 10, which of the following parabolas has the line y equal to 4 as it is directrix? So because directrix y is given, y equal to 4, so it's y-axis. Yeah, it means vertical. So y-axis يعني y is power 1. Y-axis يعني y is power 1 and x is power 2. y is power 1, y power 1, y power 1, y power 2 يعني false. y power 2 يعني false. So party A party B احتمالية إيش كان true. So بنسأل أمام about the first part إما general equation hyperbola من هي general equation كي أبيت to have two brackets. The first is power 2 and the right, the left is power 2 and the right is power 1, you have 4 piece. كواتا إسابي ما أما عكس كينو يكم جار ألين 1 over 4 x minus 1 power 2 is equal to y power y plus 3. 1 over 4 x plus 2 power 2 is equal to y minus 5. أو ما بدي أوش ما هنا أو ما بدي أوش ما هنا باش. 4 بيكا ليري نابل ليري 4 بيكا بلاي with x power 1 with bracket power 1 كوبت كواتالين both multiply by 4 by the same way both multiply by 4. So 4 cancel equal to x minus 1 power 2 and 4 times this is equal to 4y plus 3. 4 4 cancel equal to x plus 2 power 2 and 4 times y minus 5 y minus 5. So for both equation 4p is equal to 4 4p is equal to 4, so p is equal to 4 divided 4 يعني 1. So p is equal to 1 for both equation. Now say vertex h و k is equal to h and k يعني 1 and negative 3. Say vertex is equal to h و k يعني negative 2 and 5. The rule of directrix for y-axis is equal to y is equal to k minus b and by the same way k minus b. So k is equal to negative 3. p is equal to 1. Negative 3 minus 1 is equal to negative 4. And for this one k is 5 minus p يعني minus 1 is 4. So which one y is equal to 4? Just party B is true for example 10 because this one the directrix is equal to 4. So it is number 10. جماعة بنسأل example 13 for this equation which of the following is the focus. طبعا we have two words focus and foci. focus يعني just one C. foci يعني you have to see. وfoci بو hyperbola and ellipse به وfocus بو vertex به بەڵام فۆکەسەکە لامان کاتیشا بۆ hyperbola و ellipsiش ئەبێت. focus يعني يكسي one C بەڵام foci يعني you have to see. So it is parabola because you have two variables x and y. X is power 1 and y is power 2. So it is x-axis because x power 1, x is power 1. So أبي became y square and for y the left side bit variable and number for right side. So it's equal to positive 8x because it is negative and negative 36. So y square plus 4y, the coefficient of y power 1 is 4, so coefficient of y power 1 divided 2 and power 2, so 4 divided 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So alleen أدي again for both بتا عفوا أما for y بتا plus 4 always for first and negative 4 for second is equal to 8x minus 36. So for right beta y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 8x and negative 36 plus 4 is equal to negative 32. So معكم بدو bracket y for first and for second plus 2 times 2 يعني y plus 2 power 2 is equal to 8 factoric هنا بتا x minus 4. 8x 8 times 4 is 32. So the general equation y minus k power 2 is equal to x minus h, and we have 4p. So 4p is equal to what? 4p is equal to 8, so p is equal to 2. And vertex is equal to h and k. H is equal to 4 by positive because it's negative, and k is equal to negative 2 because it is positive. So focus, the rule of focus for y-x axis يعني h is change, h be change, so ln h plus p and k does not change. So h يعني 4 plus p يعني 2 comma k يعني comma minus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and minus 2. So party 6 and minus 2. So party B is true, and I hope you are be successful إن شاء الله. هم تعمل درجة برزبة أبدينا وسركوتو